Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a page URL on Wix. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log in with your account in Wix, and from there, you have to click on this edit site. Wait for a load, so it will take you to website editor of Wix. So you are in the website editor dashboard. In the left side, you will get to see these pages and menus. Just simply click on the pages and menus. Now, from here, you can see all the pages of your website. Now, for example, I want to change link. Uh, for example, I want to change contact page URL on Wix. So what I will do, just simply click on this three dots and click on the settings. So from here, you can change the name as well. For example, what is this page name on your menu? It will, you can tell that contact me. It will change the name. So but it will change the name but not the URL. So for the URL, you have to go to into SEO basics, click on that. From here, you have to search for URL slug and change that contact me. So just hit enter. So as you can see here, I have changed the URL. So if you scroll up, you will get to see this Google preview where you can see the URL has been changed. So yeah, and save it. And the second thing, you can access SEO basics from this menu bar as well. So but sometime it doesn't appear. So just go into setting, and from the setting you can choose SEO basics. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.